Welcome back to the Firenzecolor classroom. I'm going to show you a demonstration how to use our hydro wax. Basically, this is a marmerino board. It's already shiny. Okay, you're going to get the wax and apply it nice and tight, just like a final coat, nice and tight. You don't want to do it thick at all. Always in circular motions. Very simple to do. Okay, now that's the wax putting on. Now, you're gonna wanna wait like a few minutes for the marmerino to absorb the wax, okay? This is one that I just already waxed. I waxed it a minute ago. Now, I'm gonna buff it. Now, I'm gonna show you a demonstration how to use a high-end polisher, okay? The polisher has different speeds. So this polisher has different speeds. This is what we call a high-end polisher, okay? Now, it has to be nice and clean, and you're gonna hold it and put pressure on it, and you're gonna basically hit every area around, okay? You don't want it too fast, because then the board could basically spin away, okay? Okay, so basically you saw me do that real quick. It took maybe less than a minute. And it's really shiny. I don't know if you can tell in your monitor. Can you tell? Okay. Now this is the one that you just saw me wax. Probably took like basically a nice, almost a minute for the marmerino to absorb it. You could wait a little longer, of course. You don't want to wait overnight. You don't want to do that. You want to buff it the same day. You're gonna get your polisher. Now you could use a rag if you want to, always a white rag, but this just helps with the shoulder because you're here using the rag, going in circular motions, you know, you could basically burn it out. Nice and polished. This is the way I like my walls to look. I don't know about you. Thank you for watching. Be coming soon another video for you.